Isa.
Just like driving simulator. Bump stand. Boom. Go.
It's another day in another life and another VOLG.
VLOG. Go.
It's another day, another life, and another VLOG.
That day. Are you super excited, Stan? Really super excited? You know, guys, where we're going? One of the happiest places on the earth. That's in Disneyland. So we're going to Disneyland today. And our homies are already... You forgot to close the door upstairs. Anyway, so our homies are already in the Disneyland. And me and Stan are left behind because Stan was the last person to bait. Okay, so we'll bring you guys today in Hong Kong Disneyland. See you there, okay? Hold this. See you there, okay? Here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Yes, yay! I'm super excited now. Though it's kind of like cloudy and I think it's gonna rain. I hope it's not gonna rain. Look. Super excited, Stan? Are you super excited?
Yeah.
So how super excited are you? If you're gonna show it to them by jumping, how super excited are you? That's not super excited yet. Come on, show it. Come on. The super excited jump. Come on. Yeah. Look at this, guys. This is very cool. There's some topiary, a castle, Mickey Mouse is there, and yeah, I like that. Look at that. Minnie's there. Let's take a picture with Minnie. And
I'd rather take a picture.
and Geppetto. Hi, Mickey. Want to take a picture here? Look, Minnie and Geppetto there. Wow, this is cool. I love it.
How do they even do this?
Let's take a picture here. So we're gonna leave Minnie Mouse there and Geppetto, and we need to look for our homies. They've been here for about an hour and a half already inside Disneyland. We're heading Adventureland.
Oh, it's an egg
Look.
hunt.
Adventureland.
Dad,
Like
yes.
tribe.
Mommy.
What?
Look. It's an egg hunt.
Wow, cool.
It's an
That's
egg
for
hunt.
Easter. Yeah.
Adventureland, we're here now. Keep your eyes peeled.
Dance to the music. Dance to the music, Stan. Tribe music. Stan, dali. Come on. Dance to the music.
Why would I?
Whoa. Tarzan's house. Tree house. This way? What's this way? Oh yeah, cool! Toy Story Land! Whoa, look at those soldiers. Hi there, soldiers! Cool soldiers. Yeah, wanna take a picture with the soldiers then? Huh? Take a picture, Stan. Come on. Come on, come on, yeah. Take a picture with the soldiers. Come on. Hello, soldier. Good morning.
Come here, you come here.
Yeah. Smile. You're in YouTube. Okay, let's take a picture, guys. Wait. Those guys are cool. This is dope. Yeah. Dope ride. This is the Slinker ride. Hot Wheels. RC. Look at that. Whoa. 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 Wanna ride here, Stan? Huh? You wanna ride? Whoa! 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 Last. Whoa! Guys, we're here at Toy Story Land, sitting here, and we're chilling out. And Dorothie is eating again.
I didn't eat a while ago.
Actually, she wanted to, while she's eating the sandwich, she wanted to get chocolate chip. Can you imagine that?
You're doing your.
We're gonna troll these birds. Gonna feed them some bread, and gonna catch them.
One already got it.
Because a while ago, I wasn't able to film it. Okay, we were trolling it, and then the last one, the last bread that I gave to them, that suddenly everybody disappeared. And then I said, where did those birds go? Then Stan pointed that those birds were there. They are all scared. It was really funny. So I'm trying to capture the same scene. It will happen. Stan, give me some bread, okay? We'll troll this bird until they get scared. There they are. They're all scared. That was funny. Look at the line of birds there. The fairy tale forest. And look at this. It's what's her name? Rapunzel. Faster, come on, faster. What's gonna happen?
Wait for Rapunzel.
A while ago, Rapunzel just came out from that window. Anyway, whoa, look, that's so cool. The floating lanterns, cool. So look at this, floating lanterns. Wow, so cool, right? Wow, nice. What's this? Oh, Snow White. The dwarfs. The 7 dwarfs. Nice, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
2, 4, 6. Where's the other one?
Yeah.
There's a missing dwarf.
2, 3, 4, 6. Ah, Dopey.
Oh, that's. Oh, they move also. Okay, let's move on, guys. Let's move on.
Beauty and the Beast. Oh. Yes.
Beauty and the Beast. And the Beast.
What?
Oh, nice. Are they moving? Wow, they also move. That sounds surreal. So now we're going to Cinderella's place.
We went through here.
I'll do that too. Basically nothing's in here. I don't know. But hey, look, what's here? Cinderella's castle. Yeah. Oh yeah, the clock's moving at 12. Is Cinderella coming out? What's here?
It's magic there.
Oh, look. Whoa. Oh, cool. That was cool.
Again.
Entrance, meet Tinkerbell at where? Here? Here? Is Tink here? Is Tink here?
It's Tinkerbell.
This the Pixie Hollow. Welcome to Pixie Hollow. Look at that.
She's stealing something.
So guys, we're going now. We're gonna meet Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell's there. Yeah, Tink. Hi, Tink.
Stand straight.
Oh. So that's Tink. So we're done here at Pixie Hollow. So we're leaving this Pixie Hollow soon. I don't know where we're going. Oh no, there's another one here. Whoa, so who's here? Whoa, it's Ariel. Very cool. Flounder and other fish. Nice, right?
Did you like? Then the bride kiss sucker. Don't kiss.
Oh, there's one more here. Look at this one. Whoa, cool. Right? What do we have here? Whoa. Nothing. go, let's go, let's go. Oh, exit. So this is the last stop. Have a magical day. We're leaving this. Yeah, so we're going to feel our magic. We're gonna watch this 4D movie. Let's go. Yeah, in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We will start in 10 minutes. Whoa, look at that, Mickey. Hello. Oops. All right. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna cut through. Okay, because this will take about 10 minutes, and I'll show you a little bit of it. Just a little. I don't know what's taking that long, but normally once you get in here, the show will start really soon. But now it's getting a little bit longer. Oh, there. Goofy's all right over there.
What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. Donald, wake up! It's showtime!
Wow, cool. Cool. We came from this castle.
Hey, there's Aurora's castle. Oh! Aurora.
Yeah, Princess Aurora's castle. We're gonna take Space Mountain here in Tomorrowland. Hey, Stan, are you very excited? Yeah, let's do this. This is dope, yeah. So I'm daring Stan about this because if he's not gonna ride it, if he chickened out, I'm gonna tease him the whole day today. But if he will do this, I'm done teasing him after this. Is that a deal? Is it, Stan? Are you ready, Stan? Are you ready? Woo! Yay! Yeah, it's so dark! It's so dark! Yeah, now it's getting faster! Whoa, we're going up! Better try that. Space Mountain.
So cool! Yeah! Oh my god, that's so cool!
Let's check ourselves.
Not here.
Not here, not here. Oh, here. This is us.
Yeah! I want to look at
Let's dance face. We found the Star Troopers. The Star Troopers. Way dope. Look. Isn't it awesome, Stan? Yeah. I always wanted to be with the Star Troopers, you know. Finally, dream come true with the Star Troopers.
You're weird. You have a weird child dream.
Of course. I've been the fan of Star Wars. Yeah, we will. Come on, there. Yeah, this guy.
No!
Okay. That was awesome! Awesome, right, Stan?
He's like, you there.
Dorothy called my dream weird, but that was dope!
Look at
that? Star Expo.
Yeah.
Iron Man experience.
We're here at Utopia. Yeah. I'm gonna race with Stan, but I don't think that's gonna happen because Utopia is one lane only, and they have this thing in the middle of the car. This is my car, 6 car, the blue one. Okay, here we go. So we're very excited for this new show of Disneyland here in Hong Kong, the Wondrous Book, Mickey's Wondrous Book. I think that's the name of the show. So it's really new. I think they opened it this February, if I'm not mistaken. Stan, excited for this new show? The Mickey's The Wondrous Book, right? Right now we're in Putong, and my homies are here in the restaurant, this Chinese restaurant called Tuiwa. So we're gonna have our dinner here. It's already around 10 p.m. I don't know where they are. Over there. Yep. Whoa. All soup, noodle soup, right? Did everybody order noodle soup? Wow, this one has this sausage here. And then beef and
so bali isa pa. Isa pa.
Can't wait, Stan. So we're back home and it's already 1 a.m. Yeah, this was a dope day for me. I mean for us. Because we went to Disneyland and we got the chance to see the new shows. So wait, look at the view. Cool, right? Yeah. Nice, right? And then so I'm ending this vlog, so comment down below, and if you have any questions or any inquiries, anything you want to say, feel free, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.